The case study I'm going to talk about today is one of our large projects in Sweden. We knew that the reinforcement was very complex on this project, and in lack of space we had to do all of the construction cast in place. So when we received the 2D drawings from the consultant, we started modeling all the concrete works and the reinforcement in Tekla. So as you see here, we have a lot of reinforcement especially in the top of the column structure. It wasn't possible to add all the reinforcement that was described on the 2D drawing. And for us as a contractor, it was very easy to show this to the external consultant and not go to a position on site where we couldn't assemble the reinforcement. Today we have a totally new way of ordering reinforcement on our projects. We simply do the reinforcement work in Tekla, as I have already mentioned. Then we do the class check-in and make sure that everything is solved before we actually do the order. Then we simply select the reinforcement, and then I say please export the selected rebars. So as I mentioned earlier, it was also very important not only to use the technology in the design and planning and manufacturing phase, but also directly in the execution phase. This has been very powerful, and it's been much easier for people starting up new reinforcement work, and our productivity rates have been much better after the introduction of the technology. Further on, our wasted material of reinforcement is close to zero today, because these cut and bending lists are optimized totally. And further on, our productivity rates are achieved faster.